Oh my god. Being grounded sucks. I wish I can get revenge on my mom for always grounding me. I got a great idea. I'm going to flood the house.
Gulp gulp gulp. Gulp 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 gulp. Gulp 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 gulp. Gulp 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 gulp. Gulp 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 gulp.
Oh my god, Becky. Why did you flooded the house? Why? 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 That is it, your taunt. You are so grounded for 300 weeks. As for this, I will send you to Flight 70 to North Korea.
Oh snap. Not North Korea. Anything but North Korea.
Too bad. I will send you to Flight 70 to North Korea, and that is final. Now, I will teleport you.
Welcome to Flight 70 to North Korea. Enjoy your flight. We are now arrived to North Korea. We hope you enjoy your flight. Have a nice day.
Why did I get sent to North Korea?
Welcome to 파영이행, North Korea. This service has a working for 50 minutes for unloading passengers. There will be no parking.
Oh no. Now I am speaking Korean, which is the language in North Korea. Can my life get any worse than this?